Okay, so in this reading, we will going to have general reading. Ayan. Okay, so what is the focus of energy? And ano yung mga gustong sabihin ni spirits? So, focus your energy. Okay, so in this reading, we will going to see kung ano yung message ni spirits and ano yung mga upcoming blessings for you. So, let's see kung ano yung focus ng iyong energy. Okay, before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform. And if you feel resonated with my energy, just click the link in the description box or the bio. So ngayon, let's see. Meron ako nabuklat dito. I am patient. I am supported. Okay. So, if you feel resonated, my loves, pwede mong baun-baunin yung numerology or yung angel number natin na yan. So, it has deep meaning when it comes to your energy right now. So, I am patient, my loves. So, spirits are telling you to resonate this energy, to keep your thoughts positive and be patient as everything is working out for your highest good. Trust that your angels are working behind the scenes to help you. And also the number 44 or angel number 44, I am supported. So always remember that your angels are encouraging you to continue on your present life path with diligence and determination, and even creator success will come in the future. So my loves, dito I see na main focus, pinapaalala if ever na napanghihinaan ka ng loob or you are into your confusion, sabihin natin na number 44 also has a significance when it comes to your foundation, independence. So number 44, iyan yung structure ng iyong life. Okay, so your angels are telling you or encouraging you to continue, okay, your present life. And dito sa 10-10, my loves, you are aligned. Papunta ka na doon. Be patient, my loves. Kung ano man yung mga plans mo na hindi pa nagkakaroon ng fruition right now, is, alam niyo, align. Kagaya ng mga sinasabi, may mga nangyayari sa buhay natin na parang hindi mo akalain na mangyayari, pero iyon ay dapat mangyayari because part yun ng iyong destiny. So dito sa 10-10, keep your thoughts positive, my loves. Ano man ang nangyari, kasama yan, ingredients yan sa iyong destiny, my loves, at sa iyong foundation. So isa yan sa mga bubuo o huhubog ng foundation mo, kagaya ng connection dito sa ating numerology year number 9. If ever kung ano man ang nangyayari ngayon sa structure ng life mo, it has a significance with your foundation for new beginning, for more, sabihin natin, alam niyo yon, yung strong build or yung mas matibay na pundasyon ng iyong life. So silipin pa natin, my love, sa ano pa yung focus ng energy na to. Yes, lagi mo, my loves, titingnan, lalo na pag nakikita mo sa clock, yung 10-10, my loves, always your angels and guides are always reminding you, my loves, na sila ay still working behind the scenes, okay? Wag na wag mo yung kakalimutan. And with our Shanghai, my loves, so papakita natin, ito yung Shanghai, pero meron tayo ditong Shanghai. So my loves, kasi ang gamit ng Shanghai natin, kung makikita nyo, ito, ayan. So ito, ang gamit niyan, my loves, is to protect you from radiation. So kagaya ng spirits, pinoprotect kanila, my loves, with these crystals. And also, Get real with your truth. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mong gawin? Kasi you are protected naman kahit ano yung mga gusto mong gawin sa life mo. Anybody looking to get honest with themselves. Ngayong, kumbaga, meron ka ng new beginnings, your angels and spirit guides giving you a chance to begin again. Ano yung gusto mong gawin? Also, these cards has a significance when it's time to you or for you to claim your energy. My loves, claim your power wherever it been and whomever it's been with. It's time for you to claim your energy, your power back, my loves. It's time for you to claim your, parang puro new beginning talaga yung pag-ikot. Another crystal for you is the garnet. Get into your depth, my loves. So dito, you have to feel like the real you. Puro pagpapakatotoo. Ano ba talaga gusto mong gawin? Meron ka bang mga target na business? May mga target ka bang career, my loves? Kasi dito, parang it's time for you na magpakatotoo. Ano ba yung gusto mong gawin sa iyong life? And with the Aragonite, my loves, find your center. So, dito, my loves, meditation, cushion, adjacent. So, anyone feeling out of alignment, so kailangan mo, my loves, ngayon i-centralize ang, or i-center, i-focus ang iyong energy. Okay, so nagagawa mo ba yon? If ever na wala kang time para gawin yun, my loves, it's time for you na magsingit ka na ng oras para doon. Okay, let's see more. Blessings, upcoming, yes or no, sa mga sagot ni spirits. Ay, wait lang kasi deck na yun. Pala yung deck. Nahanap ko. Okay, so, for your plans, ano ba spirits yung dapat niyang gawin right now? Ano ba ang dapat niyang gawin right now for her career, for the sake of her career? Ano? Oh, nalaglag. Wow! Nalaglag ang ating Ace of Pentacles, my loves. New material offer, new job. So, pwede ding my loves, ngayon pwedeng ito ang i-manifest mo right now, promotion, kung ikaw ay employed. And new opportunity, my loves, and new, puro new. So, it's time for you to manifest something new. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron kang current job right now, at parang dito meron ka pang gustong gawin bukod dun sa current job mo na yun because of this Ace of Pentacles, my loves, another resources, and stability for prosperity, my loves. Napakaganda. So, dito, my loves, I hear na kailangan may mabago. Lack of faith, maaaring natatakot ka pa right now. Loss of hope and despair, my loves. So, dito sa Garnet, my loves, sabihin natin na medyo sometimes you feel lost or sometimes you feel shallow. Parang kumbaga, parang often yung materialistic priorities of likes. So dito, my loves, parang nagkakaroon ka ng disconnection with your passion. So I hear na kung hindi nano-nurture yung passion mo dyan sa yung current job, my loves, I hear na you have to open your door for your new material resources or for your new manifestations. Pwede dito, my loves, kung meron kang pinaplano na business, yes, i-pursue mo siya. Kung pinaplano kang side hustle, i-pursue mo siya, my loves. Kasi dito nagkakaroon ka ng lack of faith eh. Kung meron kang pinaplano na bago sa buhay mo, i-push mo siya. Kasi dito sa Ace of Pentacles natin, more on you. And dito, rest, relaxation, and meditation. Double confirmation for meditation. Kailangan mong i-relax muna ang mga bagay-bagay, lalo na ang iyong mind, para before mag-decides. Okay? You have to gather your thoughts. And eto, I hear na kung sa current place mo right now ay hindi ka achieve ng relaxation and solitude, my loves, kasi may retreat dito eh. So, ibig sabihin, sa retreat, kailangan mong lumayo, kailangan mong mapag-isa. Kailangan mo ng peace or sanctuary. Kung hindi mo yun na-feel sa current place mo right now, maybe it's time for you to move out. Okay? So, let's see. Kasi dito ang ipaprioritize mo dito, your peace, your relaxation. Kung mafe-feel mo yon sa pag-move out, my loves, or kung hindi mo yun nafe-feel right now sa yung current place, it's time for you to move out. Okay, let's see. So, this is the answer. Or confirmation, kung time na ba para mag-move out ka. Time na ba para i-execute mo yung mga plans mo for you? Let's see. Dito, my loves, may no. Because natatakot ka. You're still fearing. Eto, my loves, kung meron kang anxiety, it's not time for you to move out. Kasi dito, my loves, meron ditong fear eh. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka pa ready. Okay? Hindi ka pa ready, my loves. So, spirits are telling you to go if you are ready. Pero nakatapat yun, my loves. So, I also hear na you have to heal muna this anxiety, this deep unhappiness. Kasi, yun yung nagbablock doon sa new material offer mo. Lack of faith. Lumitaw din yun, my loves. So, kung hindi ka ready, my loves, huwag mo munang gawin. Pero, kagaya ng sinabi ko, you have to prioritize your solitude with the Four of Swords. The Queen of Cups. My loves, I hear na dito sa disconnection na to. Diba kanina dun sa lack of faith dito. Sa disconnection na to, my loves, I hear na mas mananurture yung iyong emotional female energy. So, dito, my loves, I hear you have to focus first on your mature emotional femininity. Okay? You have to nurture yourself first before to execute something. Kasi dito, my loves, I also hear as the general energy of your reading is natatakot ka pero somehow papunta ka dito sa loving warmth energy na to, my loves. And with this, ikaw to, yung Queen of Cups na to, my loves, kumbaga, kailangan itong lack of faith na to, ma-heal mo to eh. Yung loss of hope na to, dapat, my loves, ma-heal mo. Kasi may despair ditong nakalitaw, my loves. And after that, my loves, kung ito ay mapagtatagumpayan mong ma-heal, eto ka, the Queen of Cups. More mature, emotional female. More secure femininity, my loves. And the Ace of Cups. The new beginnings. So, here talaga, my loves, you have, bago ka mag-move out, you have to heal yourself first. You have to assess if you are ready, if you are healed enough. Kasi kung ikaw ay may anxiety, then nag-move out ka, my loves, pwedeng magkaroon dito ng lack of depression. Lumitaw dito ng depression, my loves, yung pagiging overwhelmed. So, kailangan, my loves, i-assess mo muna kung ready ka. Pero dito, my loves, once na-earn mo itong solitude na to, andito yung Ace of Cups, new beginning, outpouring. And also, this is love life. Kasi ang Cups is more on feelings. Then, my loves, new relationship. I also hear the new romance. So, once na meron kang binago in your life, once na na-achieve mo at napagtagumpayan mo itong anxiety and depression na to, puro new, my loves, oh. Look, kailangan mo talagang may baguhin. Okay? So, mag-start ka muna sa sarili mo, my loves. You have to heal your anxiety and depression first. Kasi material offer are waiting for you. And also, the new relationship, new romance, love, happiness are also waiting for you. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, kung mapagtatagumpayan mo to with enough relaxation, enough meditation, and solitude, kung iyon ay magagawa mo, mai-heal mo ang iyong anxiety, eto, my loves, yung nag-aabang sa'yo. Puro bago. New material offer, new beginnings, my loves. So, habang, kumbaga, you are nandiyan ka sa current place mo or situation, my loves, what you need to do to heal, to help you, to gain your momentum, para dito sa pag-move out na to. Kasi my loves, dito talaga, may kailangang mabago. May kailangan kang baguhin, pero somehow, meron parang lack of faith ka at medyo may takot ka pa, my loves. Make it sure, ready ka. Kasi nandito pa yung takot. You are the Queen of Cups. You have to be mature emotionally. Okay. So, minalaglag tayong cards. Asan yan? Ayun. Okay, so dito, connect with your ancestors, my loves. Connect with your ancestors. So, bigyan mo, lalo na starting this reading, kailangan ay lagi kang make time for your solitude, katahimikan, prayers. So, literal na prayers then, my loves. Sync with the moon. So, right now, we are on our new moon in Aquarius. Pag sinabing new moon in Aquarius, the surroundings is dark. The surroundings are dark, my loves. So, ibig sabihin, nandun yung pagbabago. You have to manifest more bago magkabilugan. And clean your space. Kung ano yung mga unwanted na dyan sa inyong place, ay kailangan mo ng baguhin, kailangan mo ng palitan. Pero my loves, napaka-exciting. Kaya lang takot ka pa. Takot ka pa dito, my loves. Pero dito kasi retreat ang kailangan mo talaga. Kung halimbawa you are with someone, you have to retreat. You need solitude to gather your thoughts. And with the chameleon spirit, act as if. Go with the flow, my loves. Like chameleon, kung anong madaanan niya, nagbe-blend siya doon, di ba? So, kung ano yung nangyayari right now, and nandito ulit yung ating 14 or number 4. Number 5 is also has a significance with the change. My loves, kung ano yung nangyayari right now, you have to act as if. So, ibig sabihin, go with the flow, and huwag mong pigilan. Okay? Huwag ka magkaroon ng restraint. Kasi, kagaya ng una kong sinabi dito, kailangan mangyari yun. The giraffe spirit, see the big picture. Okay? Huwag ka mag-focus lang sa specific. Pangkalahatan ang iyong i-focus. Huwag lang sa relationship, huwag lang basta sa family, sa goal. In general, you have to see the big picture and you have to surrender now. My loves, huwag mong pigilan yung mga nangyayari. Yung mga nangyayari sa bagay-bagay. If kagaya ng sabihin natin, kung if someone decides, let them be. Let them go. Act as if. So, if you need to move out, let it flow. Okay? So, ito ay isang, kumbaga, part ng guidance ni spirits. And let's see. For more confirmation. Okay. I also hear you have to protect your crown. So, dito, my loves, the witch braid, you have to protect your inner peace. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, kung hindi mo na-gain yun sa current situation or place mo right now, the spirits are telling you You have to let go. You have to prioritize your solitude, your sanctuary, and self-protection. That is the witch braid. Your inner peace. And also, new moon. Confirmation na sa'yo talaga to. Kasi kagaya, binanggit ko kanina, sync with the moon, diba? The new moon also has a significance with the manifestations. Ano ba yung gusto mong i-manifest ngayon? Sabihin natin, literally ngayong buwan, ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari? So, it is time for you to manifest, and hanggang pwede din natin sabihin na starting today, mag-meditate ka, connect with your ancestors, mag-pray, and ipaluman mo doon kung ano yung manifestations, yung tinutukoy dito sa new material offer. Napaka-favorable, my loves, because nandito yung ating mga favorable cards na Ace of Pentacles and also the Ace of Cups. Okay, so let's see the final message and answer from spirits. So, meron pa kung ano pa yung mga gusto mong i-manifest, my loves, i-manifest mo lang siya ng i-manifest. Kasi nga, new moon season ngayon. Kailan ba nag-start yan? January 30 ba? January 30? In Aquarius. Okay. So, nahulog. There's something better. That's the final answer from spirits. There's something better. Meron pang magandang naghihintay sa'yo. Huwag kang kumapit. Huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang lack of faith, takot din yan, my loves. Huwag kang maubusan ng hope or lost of hope. Huwag iwasan mo yung despair na energy, because spirits are telling you there's something better. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.